Okay, here's what we're doing today. So I have this CT Sounds Tropo, however you say it, 12. Now this is a sub that came in CT Sounds preloaded Tropo box. It was a ported box, came with two 12s. So this is a Tropo 12, just without the fancy schmancy, magnet and magnet boot. So it is a Tropo. It is blown. It still flexes up and down just fine, but it does not ohm out at all. Does not play when you hooked up to an amp, nothing. But we're gonna get it torn down. I've already done one. I got these for so cheap as a pair. The other one, the coil came undone. It slinkied. I've already rebuilt that one. So the goal here is to try and get this one done in one take, in one go. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned. I got all my tools, pliers, cutters, soldering gun, all my adhesives, cleaners, a little bit of sandpaper, the new coil, new spider and cone are over there, as well as the dust cap, solder, everything I need. So here we go. That coil looks perfectly fine. What happened? Huh. Not sure. Doesn't matter. Okay. All right. So first things first, get some fire. Oop. Actually, first, cut this. Okay, now we're gonna measure the coil, half it, measure the top plate, half it, and then mark the coil with the appropriate measurement. So 39.9. Top plate, just gonna have to eyeball this one best I can. Top plate is 7.5. So 7.5 plus what now? 40, let's call it 40. So 47.5. I'm sorry, I have that wrong. We're gonna go 40.5. We're gonna go 20 mil up. And then go up from there, compensating for the top plate. Okay, that's 23.5. So the coil is 40 mil and the top plate is 7 mil. We're gonna go 23.5 up from the bottom. Tuck these wires in. I'm going to grab our spider. Before I do that, rough up the inside of the spider. One, makes it easier to fit over the former, and gives the glue or stuff to stick to. One more there, okay. Good enough. Okay. Almost fits over like a glove, but not quite. All right, we're gonna push it on this way. There you go. Lining my spider leads up with my coil leads. Come on now. Wants to suck the coil in with it. You bastard, come on. There we go. Okay, grab me a flashlight real quick. Yeah, all right, that's perfect. Okay, that one's good and how I want it. Now we're going to glue it. All right, so I have to take off these crappy solder-on terminals. I'm gonna replace them later with push terminals. All right, so you know how I just cleaned out inside the coil gap? Yeah, I gotta do that again. All right, I know I kind of globbed it on there. I'm just trying to be fast, but I did put about, an 1/8 of an inch on either side, 1/8 of an inch outside the spider, 1/8 of an inch inside the spider. Spider's fabric, so obviously it's going to soak in to the fabric and through it and down into the basket. But that's good there. There you go. Okay, just for the hell of it, I'm gonna grab a battery, flex it right quick. Okay, all that's in there. Cone is on the former, and now we're going to get the leads soldered. Looking good there. Okay. Coil is still shimmed. Surround is on. Now what I'm gonna do next is a little different. Something I learned recently. I'm gonna take a piece of string, stick it down in there, and the string will help adhere the glue and the cone and the former all together. Now I got this Hyper Bond rubberized CA. This is good stuff. Pricey, but good stuff. I'm gonna let that set up for a bit. All right. Now, where is the... Here we go. Okay, now. Okay, now we're going to put the surround onto the basket. All right. Now, gonna put this thing back on and then get the clamps.
The clamps!
All right. All right, all right, all right. All right, clamps. Oh, I'm missing one. Need one more. One more clamp.
The clamps!
All right, that's good. Now we just got to put the dust cap on, and it's done. Except for the terminals. I had to order those. They won't be in for a couple of weeks, but you know, can't be perfect. Not everything can be perfect. Now, a little trick to make sure the dust cap is centered. Right, okay, give or take right there, okay. Just using a reference point on the coil, or on the surround rather. This side might be a little low. Yes, oh, it's very low. There we go. Okay. 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 Yep, okay, that looks good. I'll clean up the excess later. Not too worried about it at the moment. This glue is good because you just put a little mineral spirits to it and it comes right off. Oh hell, I'll do it now. Since I'm trying to do this all in one take, might as well do it now. I'm gonna put a little bit of weight on it. All right. Cool. All right. Well, besides the spring terminals and waiting for the glue to dry, that's it. I'm gonna put my my sticker on the dust cap, and then when the terminals come in, I'll get those put on, and that's it, guys. I am done with it. Made a sub in one take, tore it down, and rebuilt it all in one take. Look at that. I don't know how long this video is. Oh, about an hour and 13 minutes. So there you go. But you know, got it done in about an hour. I could have done a couple of things better, but it's all done now. Cool. Hope you enjoyed. For now, take her easy.